Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Adobe Acrobat Sign step by step clearly. Navigate to the official Adobe Acrobat Sign website. Once the page loads, locate the Get Started or Sign Up button, typically found in the top right corner. Click on the button to initiate the subscription process. You will be redirected to a new page presenting various plans and pricing options. Review the plans closely to determine which one best suits your needs. Once you've made your decision, click the Select or Choose Plan button associated with your chosen plan. Next, you will be prompted to create an Adobe account if you do not already have one. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After filling in your details, click on the Create Account button. If you already have an Adobe account, simply sign in by entering your email and password. After signing in, you will need to enter your billing information on the subscription page. This typically includes your credit card details and billing address. Review the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. If you agree to the terms, check the box indicating your acceptance. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation via email. You can now return to the Adobe Acrobat Sign dashboard to begin using the service. With your subscription active, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the features available to you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.